Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to HWPX format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option in this menu bar, and here you will find this to image option. Click here and this convert dialog box, select output format, and this output format click on this down arrow and scroll down, and this last one HWPX format select, and select save for source folder or associative folder. You can select. I'll set this source folder and select OK, and see this converting and open this file and see this properties option. This is HWPX file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and